everyone. Last week I spoke about the 3 steps I recommend businesses start taking in light of the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. They were firstly, take advantage of the government support packages that have become available, such as the wage subsidy, managing your cash flow over the coming months, and then taking a good hard look at your operational strategy. Today I'm going to talk about the financial side of things, and firstly, how to access finance and preparing for that. Now, if you're freaking out because you don't have anyone to go to discuss this subject with, feel free to send me a message, but also have a look at what I posted this morning about the government funding that's become available for businesses to access free expert advice in the areas of business continuity and cash flow management. You can also contact your accountant and they might be able to help you. Now, moving on, if you haven't contacted your bank already, today is the day to do it, all right? Now, I've worked in financial services for the last decade, and I can tell you, financial institutions like banks and other finance companies, they rely on good two-way communication, all right? Communication is a two-way street. So make sure you get in touch with them. They're probably going to be hard to reach, so send an email, and that way you've also got a written record of having made contact with them to let them know about any potential problems that you might be facing over the coming months. Same goes not just for banks, but any other financial institution that you have lending with. So that could be someone like Prosper or Spotcap or Heartland Bank or UDC Finance. Get in touch with them today. Now, yesterday afternoon, I also posted about the government funding that we are going to be hearing more about this week. Now, that's a loan product that the government's going to be making available via the banks, but with a significant amount of support from the risk side of things. Now, what we do know about this at the moment is it's going to be available to businesses who turn over $250,000. The loans are going to be up to $500,000 and repayable over 3 years at reasonable interest rates. So I'll keep you up to date with the details of that as soon as it becomes available and the ways to go about making an application for that. That brings me to my next topic though, and that's preparing to apply for finance. So whether this is through the government funding program, which we don't know about the application process for yet, or for one of your existing lenders needing to get more working capital out of them, for example, you need to have your financial information in order, okay? You'll always hear me harp on about the importance of operating with cash flow forecasts, but this financial information should incorporate your previous year's financials and also your 2020 financial year information as well, which ends tomorrow. If you don't have access to an accounting system like Xero or MYOB yourself, chat to your accountant, make sure they've got all of your financial information up to date so that when you do need to make any kind of finance application, you've got the information there ready to go. All right, now a summary of what I've spoken about today: contact your professional advisors, your accountant, your insurance broker, anyone that you've got lending with. Get your financial information in order. I can't stress this enough. It's the most important thing to do, and reach out to the experts that you have around you. Take a look at what I posted this morning about that government funding, and feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions at all. Please share this with your business owner friends as well so that this advice reaches as many people as possible. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Lani, and I'll see you next time.